Good morning. Actually, no, it's like 2 p.m. I gotta quit that. I've been awake since 6:30 a.m. this morning, which is wild. It's because I was supposed to go to work today. But I didn't go to work because I sprained my foot a few days ago, and I was thinking today maybe it'd be okay to like take the bus and go in. Part of me was like kind of laziness of like, do I really want to take the bus at 7 a.m.? And I just feel like I still don't have a way to get home from work. I could take the bus again, but it'll be dark. And I'm kind of like out of money for just doing Ubers every day. So I'm planning on going into work tomorrow. But yeah, my foot has kept me out a couple days. This video is mostly actually going to be, well, I don't know what it's all going to be yet. Because I'm just like terrible at planning these things, sorry. But my diesel heater came in. I'll go ahead and like show you guys the parts that came. Actually, I started putting it together. There's two of them with me because my friend Kellen, who by the way is the person that I met at Planet Fitness like a long time ago when I was like really excited that I met someone outside of Planet Fitness. Yeah, we're still friends. So we are installing diesel heaters both in our vans together. I'll show you like the pieces that we got. It's from China. It's like the cheapest diesel heater that you can get. I think it's like $150. So today we're gonna test out and make sure it actually like works. But one of them is like half put together. I've not moved out of the van, don't worry. I'm pet sitting for like 10 days. So Vivor is a brand of the heater. That's it like partially, but I'll go show you the other one. So here's a tank that holds the diesel, the line that gets pumped through, and then yeah, this is the whole thing. But basically I'll explain more when I actually like set it up in my van. I'm not gonna work on the heater until my friend comes over to help me with it later today, but because I have to like wait for him to get off work and everything, I think I'm gonna waddle over to the coffee shop down the road. It's like a 5-minute walk, so I'm just gonna limp over there and get some coffee, and then I think like read for a little bit today. I'm 2 feet out the door and already going the wrong way. So I took my van into the shop and it was making like this weird can kicking noise, and also I wanted to get my brakes checked. Brakes are good, which is amazing, even though it's just like super squeaky. I guess that's just how my van is. And then they told me that the can kicking noise is like my exhaust system, and I need to like take it across the street and have the whole thing rebuilt because it's super rusted. So they quoted that at like $600 potentially somewhere, and then they hit me with a $1,800 estimate, saying that all 4 of my ball joints need to be replaced. So that's also kind of a reason why I'm gonna stick around, I think. Coffee shop closed at 4, so I only got like an hour there. So I'm back and organizing all my laundry. I ordered my cats the like scratcher that goes on the what's it called, like the corners, and they they love it. Get it, Cora, get it. Calvin. Yeah. Well, hello. It's been a couple days since I was filming pet sitting, but I'm done house sitting. I did hook up the heater to like test it, and it works. So I'll like show you how that all works later. It's still not installed in the van, but I reached out to the guy that did my electrical setup.
In 2 miles, take exit 57 onto Glencoe Road.
I reached out to the guy that did the electrical setup like 2 years ago for the van, and he still lives around here like 45 minutes away. So I'm unexpectedly, after just like sending an email the next day, I am driving to his place, and he's gonna like look at my system so I can install a second battery, and then also look at my inverter that I think needs to be, I need to get a new inverter because mine was like smoking and the wires are like bad. So I'm excited about that. You know how sometimes you're like, I need to do that, but I don't want to do it because I feel like it may not happen. Like, I was worried that he wasn't like working on vans anymore, what's taking me so long to like do this, but this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, installing the second battery and figuring out this inverter thing. So yeah, it was like freaking hailing a second ago, and now the sun is out, and I feel so great because I'm taking a 45-minute drive, and I actually haven't like really driven out of the city recently in a while, and it's just making me want to like go on the road and drive longer distances again. So I don't know, that's like a cool, good little feeling. But anyways, I'll give you an update later about like what I will be adding. I think I'm just gonna do another regular like deep cycle battery for now. I don't want to deal with the whole lithium stuff. Just like money wise, that's better for me. But anyways, yeah, I'll update you guys like later after I've had like the consultation or whatever. And then he's available this week, so I should have the heater finally actually in the van this week.
I don't know where to begin.
Good morning! It's actually the morning today. It's like 9 a.m. I think, 9:15 a.m. I had to wake up at 7, drop the cats off at my work, and put them in a kennel. Because I'm getting my second battery installed today, and I think I'm getting my heater installed today, or at least like for the most part, most of it. But I'm very excited. Oh my god, it'll be so much warmer in here. And yeah, I feel like I've been waiting on this forever. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take my van back into the shop because they need to like rerun a diagnostic to try to figure out the like dry sound, because I feel like it's kind of getting worse, and like I don't know, it seems like something that I need the technicians to actually like explain to me what's going on, and they seem to have forgotten or not paid attention to that specific noise that I was talking about. So they just said like swing it by and we'll like listen to it. So yeah, busy week because I work most of the week. But anyways, I'm headed to the electrician's house, and yeah, he's gonna help me set all that stuff up. Hopefully it won't take more than like 3 or 4 hours, so we'll see. Update, I'm late to work, yay. This heater is taking way longer than I feel like it should be, so now I need to pay for like 2 hours more worth of labor. There's traffic. I'm going insane. I haven't eaten today, and it's almost 3 p.m. I'm just having a moment right now because I'm kind of just like running out of money, but then just like throwing it at shit, because that's kind of what you do when you feel like you need to survive, and the heat is kind of one of those things. I'm just feeling like very stressed right now, and so I have to go back tomorrow, which changes my plans of taking the van in, and I'm not looking forward to calling the shop and being like, actually, I need to take it in Friday morning for you to look at it, and then this changes like plans that I had with someone else, and I'm just feeling stressed and drive money, and I guess that's just like typical van life, huh? I just think like, okay, you're saving money on rent, and then it's like, are you really saving money on rent when you have all these maintenance costs every time? Like, I still gotta figure out what this noise is in the van, and then obviously they told me like my ball joints, which I'm just I'm just pretending doesn't need to be done right now. So yeah, just a lot going on. Day 2 of the heater install. I got 5 hours of sleep. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm in a mood. Okay, do you see this? The little bits of snow flurry on my window? Yes. There's snow flurries, and my heater is still not done because I think I told you guys, like, I went back 2 days to this guy, and yeah, I honestly think I'm gonna meet up with my friend and just try to finish installing it myself. It's just gonna suck because I have to like dump out the diesel from this tank, which means I have to like unbolt it from the back of the van, and then I have to go underneath the van. It's just like, should be weather be doing this. I'm also like mostly annoyed because it's like, I want to enjoy the snow. Like, it's the first little kind of snowfall, and that should be exciting to me, but it's like significantly less exciting when you live in a van. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so much better. What? I think it's because I went to a coffee shop and got in the heat, but now like I'm driving into Portland to just do the heater myself because this guy can't do it till Wednesday and it's freezing. So that's what I'm gonna do. But it's like now I can see the snow on all the trees driving into Portland because I was in Beaverton, and it makes me so happy, and I'm excited, and I had my coffee, and I feel warm, and yeah. Okay, doing this shit ourselves because you cannot depend on anybody. Okay, so figured out what size this is. This is where it has been mounted, by the way. Okay, I need to put this down. I'm too lazy to bring my tripod out, so sorry, not sorry. This is for my own self. Okay, it's big washer, small washer, then this bigger thing. Goes on the outside of here.
Gonna be in your YouTube video?
Yeah. How are y'all doing? I'm doing great. I'm still working on this heater in 30-degree weather while eating a burger that's been out of my fridge for like probably 12 hours with diesel on my hands. Living life on the edge. This is not fun. Okay, don't look at my rusty van. I need to put this stuff on here. Okay, almost done, I think. My friend just helped me reinstall the pump. I'm too embarrassed to have him see me recording myself, so I have to go now. Okay. You just install with such confidence. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Guys, I did it. Well, Kellen helped me. But my heater's running right now. So far, so good. Look at this thing. Okay, so this is how you know it's running. But it's supposed to be warming the van up to be, I think, like 80 degrees. Right now we're at 57, so it's gonna keep running until then. It's under here. And yeah, super hot. That's the battery, the second battery. Wee! Oh my gosh. All it takes is a little bit of warmth, and I'm like, I'm A-okay. I am not moody anymore. I feel great. I don't even think it was exactly the warmth. It was the fact that, oh my gosh, Calvin. It was the fact that I had to like wait on someone else to like have something done that was going to make me feel comfortable. I'm like, I cannot wait till Wednesday when it literally snowed today and there's no heat in my car. Like, I'm worried about the cats. I'm worried about me. Not like fully worried. Like, I have the heated blanket, which works really well. Wait, hold on. Look at Calvin. What are you doing, Calvin? Oh, you're fitting in the box inside the box, huh? Anyways, I just hate when like, I was like, I know I can probably install the rest of this heater by myself, but like, this was supposed to be like part of the payment that I already paid this guy to finish it. And so I was just like upset that I gave him quite a bit of money to do the job, and I wanted him to like kind of finish it because I basically paid him for it. Yeah, so it was a whole thing. It was like really bothering me, but I got it done. It actually feels good like that I have finished it because I feel successful. It feels great in here. It's like 33 outside right now, but 60 in the van. And I still have my heated blanket, and I have my second battery installed, so that's gonna run a bunch of other stuff. And then the guy's still gonna install my inverter for me. So yeah, things, my wallet's still hurting, but like I'm feeling so much better. Look at this girl when I drive. There's Calvin. Oh my god, we woke up so happy because we were able to turn on the heat immediately, and it was so warm and working, and I am ecstatic about it. We're all ecstatic about it. baby. We got my inverter put back in, or my new inverter. I'd already finished the heater like I told you guys, but all my like doors are closed back and boarded up, and yeah, everything is working.